In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy Cantonese is. We have two common words to express the meaning of all these verbs. Are you ready? Hello everyone! Today I'm going to introduce you two words in Cantonese. They are Thai and Gin. They are verbs. We can use them together as Thai Gin, which means to see. We can also use them separately. The meaning of these two words may be broader than you think. In this tutorial, I also include a few examples of these words in daily conversation. So let's begin. If it's your first time watching my video, I would like to quickly introduce myself. I'm originally from Hong Kong and now I'm living in Germany. I started this channel was to share my knowledge of my mother tongue Cantonese. For those who are learning Cantonese, you'll find many useful daily conversation and expressions in my videos. The detailed list includes the meanings and the use of the words are updated on my website. Let's start our tutorial today. Thai, Thai. It's a verb. This word is for spoken Cantonese. The written form of this word is hon, hon. In Cantonese, we do not say these words out loud unless we are reading an article. Meaning number 1. To watch. 睇電視，睇電視 To watch TV. 睇戲，睇戲 To watch a film. 睇波，睇波 To watch a game. 睇演唱會，睇演唱會 To watch a concert. 我想睇演唱會，我想睇演唱會 I want to watch a concert. Meaning number 2. To read. 睇書，睇書 To read a book. 睇報紙，睇報紙 To read newspaper. 睇漫畫，睇漫畫 To read a comic book. 我鍾意睇書，我鍾意睇書 I like reading. Meaning number 3. To see. 睇醫生，睇醫生 To see the doctor. 我唔舒服，我一陣去睇醫生。我唔舒服，我一陣去睇醫生。I feel sick. I'm going to visit the doctor. 我咩都睇唔到，我咩都睇唔到。I can't see anything. 睇唔到 means can't see. 睇唔到。Meaning number 4. To look. 睇上去好好食，睇上去好好食。It looks very delicious. 睇上去好好食。 Just to remind you, click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out any of my tutorials. 睇下呢張相，睇下呢張相。Look at this picture. 睇下呢張相。睇下嗰邊。睇下嗰邊。Look there. Meaning number 5. To watch over somebody. 睇住照顧啲細佬妹。睇住啲細佬妹。Watch over the younger brother and sister. Meaning number 6. To watch out. 睇住啊，個地好濕。睇住啊，個地好濕。Watch out, the floor is wet. 過馬路要睇車。過馬路要睇車。When you are crossing the road, watch out for the cars. 我今日去咗動物園睇熊貓表演。我今日去咗動物園睇熊貓表演。I watched a panda show at the zoo today. 我今日喺動物園見到熊貓。我今日喺動物園見到熊貓。I saw the pandas at the zoo today. In the first sentence, 睇熊貓表演 watch a panda show. This sentence focuses on the events that I spent time on watching the pandas. The question would be, what did you do today? In the second sentence, 見到熊貓 saw the pandas. This sentence focuses on the events that I saw the pandas at the zoo. The question would be, what did you see at the zoo today? 見到 見到 This phrase is similar to 睇. It means saw or have seen. 見到 We use it in conversation. And when we read an article out loud, we say 見到見到。我見到一隻黑貓過馬路。我見到一隻黑貓過馬路。I saw a black cat walked across the road. 你有冇見到我副眼鏡啊？你有冇見到我副眼鏡啊？ Have you seen my glasses? 好耐冇見，好耐冇見。Haven't seen for a long time. Meaning number 2, to meet. 見客，見客 to meet a client. 我今日下晝去見客。我今日下晝去見客。I'm going to meet a client this afternoon. Now this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching and learning. Remember to give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Again, I will update the details of this lesson on my webpage. The link is down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.